making Nutella recipes, like filled strawberries, filled banana, and of course, Nutella bread. And if you guys haven't watched my then make sure to go watch it in the link of the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, pause this video, scroll your phone down, and go click that red subscribe button until it turns gray. Also click the like button so you don't miss any of my other videos, and especially click that notification bell. Get started. First we're going to do strawberries. We're going to cut the strawberries in between. This is not like dipping because I hate Nutella. So now we're gonna fill the strawberries up with Nutella. So we're gonna take a little Nutella and just cover the middle of the strawberries with it, like this. Okay, so I got help from my mom because this was a little hard for me. So I'm gonna put this back together now. And now I've got my chocolate filled strawberry. So we're gonna make 4 more of these together. Come on. Guys, we finished all the chocolate covered strawberries, so we're just gonna leave them here so they can dry together. Clean this up first. Hey guys, so now we're gonna be making some Nutella bread, and if you guys want to toast them, you guys can or not. It's your choice. I don't like mine's toasted. So let's put this Nutella on the bread. Guys, I finished the Nutella bread. So now that I'm finished with these two, let's start making the banana. We're gonna cut the pieces like this. There's 2 different ways. This one I'm gonna cut up into these little pieces like that. And we're gonna cut to the middle like this. Okay guys, so I need a little bit of help cutting it. So now it's in 2 pieces. So let's start off with this one and fill it with some Nutella. It's a lot. I'm just gonna take a little bit off. I'm gonna take a little bit more. And let's just spread this across like that. Okay, so now that we've made that side of it, let's slam this side on. Okay, so now let's slam this bad boy on. Now we have chocolate filled banana. Let's say that by our strawberry filled Nutella and our cookies. We're gonna be making some banana Nutella cookies, I guess. Gently put this on because bananas are very fragile. They can break very easy. They're soft and slippery. So, yay, we got our first one done. And now let's spread this across. And I'm not making like a sandwich type. Basically making a cookie. I'm done. This is done. And now I'm so excited for the funnest part! Sprinkles! I know which one I'm doing first. Blue ones. If You guys don't know why I'm doing blue ones? Because we just had a new cousin baby. So I'm gonna be using blue sprinkles because probably it's gonna be his favorite color. And it's a boy. And it's a boy and he's in India. And I'm going to India in December, so maybe he might get a little bit of teeth and maybe he can eat this. So we're gonna put a little bit of black sprinkles on here. Sprinkles or brown sprinkles on here. Okay, now we're done with this one. Next one, let's make it this color. Okay, to our last and final one. I want to leave the middle one just normal, plain. So let's put a little bit of sprinkles on here. This looks delicious. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put this in the fridge. You guys can just eat it right away, or you guys can keep it in the fridge for later. I'm gonna put these two in the fridge, and make sure to try this at home. It is so fun and it tastes delicious. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to watch more videos. And make sure to also hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.